In this video, we'll walk through the Activity Comments tab. These settings control how members interact with activity posts through comments, including editing, threading, visibility, and loading behavior. Let's get started. This section controls how commenting works across your activity feed. First is Enable Comments. This allows members to comment on activity posts across your community. Next is Edit Activity Comments. This lets members edit their own comments after posting. You can choose how long edits are allowed, including forever or limited time windows like 30 days, 7 days, 1 hour, or 10 minutes. Then we have Comment Visibility. This controls how many comments are shown directly under each activity post before members need to click View More Comments. Now let's look at comment structure and loading behavior. Comment threading organizes replies into nested conversations, making discussions easier to follow. You can also define how many thread levels are allowed. Finally, comments loading controls how many additional comments load per request when members expand discussions. Lower values can improve performance, while higher values reduce the number of loading requests. And that's how you configure the Activity Comments tab. These settings help you manage how conversations appear and behave across your activity feed.